patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling. What's up, y'all? First of all, I haven't touched this camera in like 2 or 3 weeks because my camera was broke. I just sat here for almost 2 hours and put this camera together. So we back on the road. Yeah, first of all, I never even say welcome to my channel, but welcome to my channel, everyone. This is erinroyalee. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K subscribers. Yeah, I just had to tell y'all, I really put this camera back together myself. Like, I went to the camera shop. If you have a Canon, you know the 2 screws that get loose. It's like they don't have the parts. So, and that's crazy because I went to the camera shop on Thursday, and I was trying to record on Saturday morning. The whole thing just broke. So I was like, what? And I wasn't paying the camera shop. I'm sorry. I ordered the parts off eBay and I got busy. So hey y'all, literally I haven't vlogged in forever, but I'm trying to be more consistent and stuff like that. Like, I feel like I'm just not consistent enough. But y'all, I want to show y'all my little vanity that I made. I wanted to record me doing this, but yeah, but I want to show y'all my vanity. It looks very cute. This is what I made. It's my hair stuff. Let's see, y'all, and this was only like $150. I paid only $150 to create this whole thing. I'm just gonna look a little bit and babble. But this is my quick weave. First of all I wear is quick weaves, but I want to show y'all a trick when y'all do y'all quick weaves. First of all, my quick weave looks so natural. Look, so natural, like it's my hair. This is some 20-pack hair down the hair, y'all. But as I was saying, I want to show y'all a trick when y'all do y'all quick weaves. I only do this on my hair. I'll be scared to do this to other people. But right here is my real hair. And what I do is I put a track in between and I double them, because you see how short my leaf out is. It look crazy, like my leaf out was right here and the weave right here. But I double it and then I give my hair some length in the front. As you can see, it fall right on the hair, so it blend right in. But I'm about to add some heat, and y'all, I really don't even put heat to my hair like with this hairstyle, because in order to save your hair, no matter what hairstyle you have to wrap it up. You have to wrap it up. Like, wrap it up. I'm fixing it up because my hair looks a hot mess. I'm not gonna cap. It looks a hot mess. Y'all see the difference? It's more flatter. Still like it's coming out my scalp. Like, stop playing. And you don't see me doing all these passes. That's how people fry their hair. They want to flat iron it every day, then they want to do mad passes. I really don't do all those passes because, first of all, my hair in the front is way more sensitive than the back. It's like the back just don't get heat damage, but the front is just heat damage. No matter how much I cut this off, the front just always have the heat damage. Like, it don't go away. Here's the hair. Yeah, this is a whole quick weave, y'all. $20. I paid $20 to do my hair. Not even 20. Yes, I paid $20 to do my hair because I already have everything else. $20. It costs $20. I be trying to tell people, come to me, y'all. I had them looking right. I like it because it's low maintenance. I don't want to put myself on. It's very low maintenance. I don't gotta do a lot. Like, but y'all see the natural, no lashes, no nothing. Like, I look very pretty. But tomorrow we're going to New York because my boyfriend, he having a party, so we in New York with it. Yeah, I'm about to just chill in the house today. I'm about to do my toes. And that's about it. Tomorrow, I'm thinking about no lashes. What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? I'm finna no lashes. Like, I don't even wear lashes like that because I either want the extension look or none at all. Like, I don't like when they too full. I like when they like spaced out a little bit. I don't like lashes too full, but this hair gets very much black girl. Like, I don't know, like I feel like I don't need lashes with this hair. I need to do my edges though. Yeah, but I'll see y'all today, y'all. I went to Walmart today and I just bought some shorts. I want to show y'all these shorts because Walmart, yeah, it's Walmart. So, oh, where can I sit this? Don't mind me back, but these are the shorts. They are so freaking cute. Don't mind my bed. I don't have no sheets on my bed because I'm currently doing laundry, so don't mind my bed. Okay, but these are a size, these are a size 16. I normally wear a 12, but look how they fit, y'all. So what I usually do to all my pants is I make them fit my waist. So yeah, look how they look. You can tell they big as heck, but they fit in the bottom nice. Yeah, but okay, yeah, these are the second pair, and these are Levi's shorts, y'all, and I got these for $9 and $11. Don't they look mad cute? Yes, they do. Yes, I can wear like a nice top like this, or like a shirt over it. I'm gonna wear these to brunch one day because these are mad freaking cute. Like, I just gotta make them fit my waist. They look crazy right now, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna show you. Okay, hey y'all, I'm just not sitting down. I've been running around all day. I did laundry, then I went to the car wash. I went to the car wash and then as I was saying, I went to the car wash and then I went to after what I did after I went to the car wash. Oh, I went to the car wash, guys, got an oil change. Ew, look at this pimple. Yeah, I got an oil change. I just cleaned up my room, made my bed again because my bed wasn't made because I was doing laundry. So, if I do some makeup, I just got this new e.l.f. concealer. I used to like the bright under eye, but I've been feeling the just regular face. So, I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup because, first of all, I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup. I just don't feel like it. So, yeah, I just put a see my makeup bag. It still look kind of dirty, but like, yeah, it's still kind of dirty, but I clean all these sponges. I don't be cleaning all my makeup, so I just cleaned my makeup yesterday, get myself ready. I'm not putting on a lot of makeup. It's hot as heck. When I tell you it's hot as heck outside. Like you can see, I only use e.l.f. all day. I don't know if I want to do lashes yet, to be honest. Like, I'm thinking no lashes. I'm feeling a no lashes. All I do is fill these holes in because I don't know how to do makeup that way. I only know how to do my own makeup, but them girls are good. I'm straight. I'll do what I can. Don't mind how these eyebrows look. They look a hot figgity mess right now. Yeah, so I forgot to show y'all the shorts. I had tried them on, but yeah, I forgot to show y'all the shorts. I'll show y'all them tomorrow because I'm wearing them tomorrow. This concealer look matte orange. okay, I finally found my color, because stuff I would use is too light. I don't know, it looked darker, but when I tried it, I was like, oh yeah, this is definitely my color. Oh. And there we go, that's eyebrow. You see Elf though? Come through, Elf. Yeah, cleaning the brushes, cleaning your makeup brushes help it blend way much better, because I don't know what I was doing. Why not? Take us so long to clean them. And I think these are the best makeup brushes. Real technique. That pimple was really crazy. Like, foundation, mocha. I have put primer. I don't have no primer, so I use shea butter. So dark, but we about to fix that. I look mad dark. I'm just adding some lighter concealer. I mean some foundation. First of all, I go with the lighter one. Yeah, but I'm about to finish my makeup and I will see y'all when I'm done, because I want to listen to music. Okay, y'all, this is how the makeup is looking. I'm over here watching Stranger Things, but I'm about to do my hair. It's looking a little cray. I kind of sweated it out, so we'll be fine. Looking crazy. So crazy. But I'm going with the no lashes look. What y'all think? Well, I'm most likely gonna go with the lashes look, but the no lashes. That's how they be making their videos on IG. That's all beat up. That's all beat up. He's about to do this head over because I look a whole hot mess. Like, I look a hot mess. I look a hot mess. We're gonna shape it up a little bit to get back to normal. I've been loving this hairstyle, I'm not gonna lie. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna just fly in the back and then I am done. I am done. As the day comes. Nah, Burna Boy really tough. Burna Boy is really tough. He said, as our day comes. I gotta play that. This song's so fire because when the beat drop, it's just like, see, look. This is my favorite Afrobeat song, like Gingerbread. I mean, Rima really went crazy on this. Like, okay, my hair is done. Baby, it's the real hair for me. It's the real hair for me. I'm about to get ready. Well, first of all, I'm not even wearing this shirt. I'm debating if I want to just put on a tank top until we get to the mall and I change my shirt, or do I want to just stay in this shirt? But I gotta put a bag on my head to take this shirt off, so I don't know. But I'm about to call my sister and then pack my bags.
Hello?
Are y'all ready?
Ariana, you ready? Yes, you ready.
Okay, cause we gotta go to the mall cause I gotta change my shirt. I just gotta put my stuff in a bag. And
What you wear?
I got on some cargos and slides. I'm not wearing nothing crazy.
Oh, I just got on the dress. Ariana got her.
I got some cargos and slides. Nothing too crazy. Alright. What? I'm just gonna keep this on. I'm not gonna go to the mall. I really don't care to go to the mall. It's cute. Why not focusing? Okay, it's focusing. Yeah, but I'm just about to keep this on. It's whatever. I don't feel like changing it. And it's mad hot. Like, I cannot wait to get in the car and turn the AC. It's mad hot. Talk to y'all tomorrow. And later, guys. 91 degrees outside. It is so hot outside. Like, oh my god, stop looking at that bimbo. It looks crazy. Like, it looks really crazy. Like, I don't notice it, but I notice it. You know what I mean? But yes. So this is me the next day, and I just want to show y'all how the shorts fit because I never showed that yesterday. This is a fit today. I'm paired with some Birkenstocks. So yeah, this is how the shorts fit. They fit really nice. You see how like they hug my waist now? Yeah. You can't even tell really it's elastic on it. They fit really, really nice. So yeah. I'm just gonna, yeah, I don't have too much. More my ebony wood. I look cute. You said what?
She really a baddie on funny shit. And I swear you just put it all together. You didn't even try really.
I know.
Turn off me, let me get a spin. It's the body for me, Stink.
We don't have nothing crazy. We just went and got some food from this place. I forgot the name. Chicken and waffles. Yeah, I don't want to eat it. Cause I'm ain't hungry. This chicken is not busting. He just said the waffle's good. Cause this chicken is not busting. Chicken is not busting. Y'all, these chicken wings are mad dry.
You know why? Wait, come on. What did you just say? The chicken wings is not dry? What chicken wings you got?
Regular?
Regular.
I never had no dry chicken wings though.
My shit is not dry. My shit is very sauce and nice and moist.
Okay. Yeah, I might just finish watching Stranger Things.
Come on. Come on.
Y'all, if you watch Stranger Things, you know. Yeah, we came to this mall because I need to buy something to wear. It's my first time coming to any mall in New York, but as y'all can see, I got this net one because we literally just woke up from naps. Like, Me Too West? Oh. Y'all, look at this. Damn.
That's not KB.
Where are we going?
Up and more.
Oh, this the mall? We got here pretty fast. Oh, this the food court.
Yeah.
Even peasant.
Y'all Ghanaians?
Huh?
Y'all Ghanaians? Trinidadian. I get confused all the time. Elevator that goes down, bro. It's up and more. I don't know why I keep. Yeah, stop there, y'all. Yeah, look.
Ooh, Popeye. Look at Forever 21, y'all. You can tell this New York. It's crazy because
close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
hey y'all, as you can see, I'm out in the open in the wild. So right now I'm at this waterfall. I'm thinking about taking pictures. I brought all my stuff to take pictures, so my big old bag. So it's like nobody over here, so I'm thinking about starting taking the pictures over here, then casually moving towards the waterfall because I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie, to take pictures in front of people. So I went to the hair store and I bought these lashes, a tripod. I could just take nice pics on the on like the river type right now. I be wanting to take more pictures, but nobody want to take my pictures, so you know, if you want to do something, you got to do it on your own. Where's my phone at? Just put on some lipstick and put on some eyelashes, and then yeah, it look kind of, yeah, right now, but it's gonna dry. I look crazy. And I go on with the lip gloss, make it like glossy. Yeah. Telling me no lashes, but you know, I feel like I need lashes on these lashes. Y'all, it was mad hot. I'm never going. See ya. Ain't nobody really over here where I'm at, so I'm kind of happy because I kind of feel, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel scared. I did my makeup. I don't know how to really do eyeshadow like that, so I just put on a little bit, and I doubled my lashes. So this is the first pair and this are the second pair because I wanted them to be like full but not too full, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm feeling the lashes. I get the waterfall though. I want to take pictures with the waterfall in the back, so I brought my laptop so I could just edit here, everything, like not playing no games. So I don't care what anybody says. I just don't want people staring at me while I take my pictures. Like, it's just so uncomfortable. Like, if we was in a crowd center, I wouldn't care, but it's just like, I like a clown. This pink lipstick is coming off. I like a clown. Shea butter on my feet, on my body, everything. Because baby, this is all I use on my skin. African raw shea butter works wonders. I swear to God. Body positivity. So we are all done. Move my stuff. And move closer to the water. He's staring at me, y'all. Well, I'm really about to be in a cut. Like, I'm not even a cat. Like, alright, so this is where I'm at. It's very nice. And over here is the waterfall. Oh, look at the butterflies. Waterfall is mad nice. When I go back over there, I'm gonna show y'all. First time doing something like this, so you know, kind of scared. People are gonna be staring at me, but you know, just wing it, Erin.
After this one, I go repento. If it too much, I go find pencil. Rapata, rapata, this girl, you want kill your blood.
Hey y'all, I'm holding my tripod backwards because I gotta get up here. I want to show y'all what I'm doing by the waterfall. Hey y'all, we is at the beach. It's Saturday. This is my little sister.
I want to knock that nigga out.
Now I'm just saying, editing a little bit.
Bro.
Hey, look at these seagulls. Yeah.
I swear.
I'm weak. They just took the whole chip bag. Oh nah.
Who the three guys who hold that?
I'm weak. Where they even at? Watch our artisan. They coming for us next. Look, they want to leave all this food. They leave. Y'all need to. They leave all this food right here.
Yo, cover that shit.
Look at y'all.
I got so much rocks in my shoes.
Now we put my skin on your back. Whoa. Your hands is not getting.
Ew, that's nasty. It looks like oatmeal. It looks like oatmeal.
Now massage me. Oh, you gotta add some water. It's hard.
What item is sold?
Well, what's this over here? Look at this little lake.
What?
And found crabs. Let me see.
You mind if I bring it up and show the girls?
Ooh.
Let me get going.
They still catching with drumsticks.
48.
Ooh.
49. It's moving. 53.
Them things trying to get out of there.
53.
Oh yeah, them claws is big.
He's the one you can eat right there.
Which one? That one?
The blue claws, yeah.
Oh.
That's what, like when you
Blue
go to
crab.
Maryland. When you go to Maryland, that's what they stuff them.
Just chilling, just chilling, just chilling.
Like near dairy bag.
Anyone know my favorite?
Her bag is right there. Your phone might be in there. She put your
Nice beach fit, you know. Stay cool, but covered.
Did you see my phone anywhere?
Nah.
See?
Okay.
Niggas always hit you with Gemini. That's facts. The Gemini
No, we're not.
Oh, watch where I show that phone.
Y'all one of the most fakest
She'll be
people.
crying in the next 10 minutes. She come back happy.
Gemini's is fake as hell.
Who fake?
That's a fake sign.
Who fake?
Y'all are fake.
We are not
Who are
fake.
you? What sign are you?
So you really want to square up, bro? I will pin you to the ground.
I was throwing that pool, bro.
I did it once.
See, y'all Gemini's be imagining too much shit, bro. Cause who you put into the ground? In which world? Bro?
I gotta stay.
I know, right? Quick thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this little girl's crazy.
You can't do anything.
Who you put into the ground, bro?
Nah,
Who you put into the ground?
Come on. This girl's going crazy, bro. You people crazy? Oh.
Fighting each other.
Yo, man. Yo, what the fuck? Nah. They done open somebody's stuff over here. Nah, they gonna go crazy with the bread right now, though. So we are now leaving the beach. I'm mad tired, first of all. We got a whole hour drive back to Hartford. We got in the pool. The pool got me tired. Here my little sister coming. She wanna be in the vlog.
What about you?
We gotta wash off our feet. Ooh. I'm mad tired. They got a timer on it?
No,
You just gotta hold the handle.
Hold it.
Woo! That's good.
Ooh. Let me see. Ooh, that's good. I'm good. Alright, so. Guys, first of all, y'all, look what happened to my shea butter. Y'all, I left it in the car. This is done. I like it when like this. I feel like it's easier to apply. This car cool down is hot, y'all. Hot as hell.
My mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. You know